And 12 News Digital Content Manager Matthew Beninger has this week's latest installment with Coughlin and Gerhart. Take a look.
Today we are here with Kristen Luce, who is a partner at Coughlin and Gerhart and the chairwoman of their Trust in Estates group. Now, Kristen, can you tell me about changes that happen in a family that might require someone to take a look at their estate plan?
Absolutely. So if a family had a situation where maybe they adopted or a couple that gets married and there's stepchildren involved, also sometimes if people decide that they want to become foster parents and have
Okay.
foster children they might want to leave something to, they'd need to do some estate planning as well.
Okay, and specifically about adoption, can you tell us how that would impact someone's estate plan?
Yeah, so when someone's adopted, under the law, they're treated as if they are a natural born child. So if someone has done their estate plan, then they adopt, there are actually laws in place that will actually provide rights to that child because they're treated as a natural born child. So it's a really good idea to update your estate planning after an adoption uh, to make sure that your estate plan is set up in such a way that you want it to be, and then also to name a guardian for that child as well.
Kristen, thank you. But what about having stepchildren? How does that impact someone's estate plan?
So foster children are actually wards of New York State, and they're placed with a foster parent for care. So if a foster parent actually wanted to leave something to a foster child, they too, just like the stepchildren scenario, would have to include something in their will for the benefit of that foster child.
Okay, so if someone has adopted children, stepchildren, or foster children, what do you recommend?
I recommend that they sit down with an attorney that does estate planning and have a very honest conversation. And what I mean by that is sometimes I have clients who will refer to stepchildren as their children. That's really important information for your attorney to know so they set it
Right.
up correctly. Also, I really recommend clients working with an attorney that takes the time to know their situation and ask these types of questions. At Coughlin and Gerhart, we're happy to sit down with our clients and put together the most efficient estate plan for them as possible.
Awesome. Kristen, thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate it.
Thank you.